So, Laura, as a criminal defense attorney, I have two things I'd really like to talk with you about listening to that testimony. Number one, did Eric Nelson, defense attorney, ask good questions? And number two, what's your strategy when you have a witness like that who, by all accounts, sounds credible, very well spoken? And how do you poke holes in their credibility without crossing a line and alienating yourself from the jury because you treat them disrespectfully? What strategy would you use?
The first one, I mean, that's really jumps at me is, again, I mean, usually you see pathologists talk about cause of death and manner of death, and you're not seeing the cardiologist talk about it. So, I mean, the first kind of attack would be to honestly attack his, whether he's the right expert for this. Can he really render the opinions that he's rendering in this situation? The rest of it, I mean, it looks like, I haven't seen all of it. I'm not sure what else he asked. But up until now, the questions, it seems fine. It was in the right direction, other than, like I said, the first part where you're attacking the qualifications of the expert that's testifying. He's asking the right questions. I mean, he's getting him to admit a few things or he's scoring some points. And I'm sure he built up momentum and was asking more and more questions. You just want to show that, bring up certain facts where you're questioning his opinion. You have to always bring up one more fact, one more evidence, show him one more photo that makes him rethink his opinion and basically give you something that's helpful for your defense. That's what you have to do. That's the strategy that a defense attorney has to have.
So do you agree with Philip that you would have objected to this testimony as to cause of death because it's not his expertise as a cardiologist?
I mean, I think that I would have at least try to ask him questions to see if he is the right person. That's the least I would have done, and then possibly object. Yes.
All right. So thank you both for staying with me. We're going to continue to break this down. Next up, our own Kim Johnson is live on the ground.